Okay. So this is the basic setup for the CO2 gas setup, CO2 pad, and CO2 gun for the flywalk. So basically, the CO2 is from the tank. So tank is connected to the pressure gas regulator. So gas regulator connected to the tube to the table, and the tube should connect it to this part. So first, they should connect it to the CO2 gun. So CO2 gun is for quickly sanitize the flies. CO2 gun should be come first because they need to receive more pressure, and then it connected to the CO2 pad. And for the CO2 pad, the gauge should be needed to turn on and turn off the CO2 pad. So for the CO2 gun, there's basically have a stop and go system in there. There's a gauge in there. So, but the CO2 pad, we need to set up the, we need to caulk to stop the leakage of the CO2 gas. And now this setting is connected to the air gun and the CO2 pad. So what you need to do for add the this new CO2 pad in this line. So just cut this and connect this part to here. So so need to think about which area should be appropriate for connecting the CO2 pad. Cut it, connect this part, and connect another part. Should be the how to add one more CO2 gun and CO2 pad setup. So gun is necessary for the brief and anodize the flies, and the CO2 pad is continuous watching the flies using the microscope. 자, 여기까지.